looking to add bulletproof film to windows and doors at all buildings.
Yeah, it's part of a $6.5 million safety plan Metro Council is approving tonight. WSMV's Brendan Tierney shows us how this technology works to protect your students.
The moments the Covenant school shooter broke through a door was shocking for Nina to watch, leading her to homeschool her daughter.
Safety, obviously, is top priority for our child.
But she says it's reassuring to know Metro Schools is now adding shatterproof film to doors and windows, trying to prevent a similar tragedy.
I think it's very much needed, and I think they should do it in every school.
Metro Schools worked with police to produce this plan to keep current buildings safe.
This is one of many different safety enhancements.
Sean Braisted says all new schools will have fully bulletproof glass under a new state law. And while bullets can still go through this film, it will keep a threat outside and allow police to respond.
You can just kind of see it pull the blast in, but the whole unit stays together.
Rachel says Solar Art has installed this film at schools across Middle Tennessee over the past couple of months, with demand skyrocketing.
It makes it harder for the glass to break.
She says it can absorb a bomb blast. There are also mirrored and tinted options like what they have on their windows that churches have started to use.
Just knowing that it's there, I think, provides everyone with a higher level of safety and security and peace of mind.
Metro Schools has started the bidding process, but says the film will not be installed in time for the start of the school year. They're hoping to begin the rollout at some point during the fall semester. In Nashville, Brendan Tierney, WSMV4.